The upcoming Renault Zoe R110 will cost £250 more than the R90 model, Autocar has learned. The existing R90 costs from £18,745 before the government's £4,500 grant is applied, suggesting the R110's price will start from £18,995. Our source said that the new variant, which produces 107 bhp from a new electric motor, will go on sale next week. The R110, with 16 bhp more than the R90, is claimed to provide better rolling acceleration, shaving 1.8 sec from the R90's 12.0 sec 80 to 120 kph 49.7 to 74.5 miles per hour time. Off-the-line performance is said to be identical to the R90's because the R110 produces the same 166 pounds-feet of instantly available torque. The new model is also expected to have the same range as its less potent sibling, although Renault is waiting until WLTP results are confirmed before providing final numbers. The R90's quoted NEDC range is 250 miles, with a claimed real-world range of 190 miles. Renault said the added grunt of the R110 is the result of power electronics-related innovations, so it brings no weight or size penalties. The R110 will be available with Android Auto smartphone mirroring, bringing Android-compatible apps such as Waze, Spotify, and Skype to the car's infotainment system. In addition, Renault has added a dark metallic aconite shade to the Zoe's color palette, as well as a new purple interior pack that adds violet upholstery and violet satin to the dashboard and interior trim. Following its public debut at the Geneva Motor Show, first customer deliveries are scheduled for the summer. Alpine E110 Cup revealed ahead of 2018 racing season. The R110 motor brings Renault's tally of electric power plants to 5. Its other motors produce between 59 bhp and 91 bhp and are fitted to the Zoe, Kangoo Z, Master Z and Daimler's smart electric drive models. Renault's more powerful Zoe is unveiled at a time when the model, which was launched in 2012, continues to grow in popularity. European sales totaled 30,134 in 2017, representing an increase of 88.94 on the year before. This mirrors a trend seen across the electric vehicle segment, with 13,500 EVs sold in 2017. Electrified cars, including hybrids, surged in demand by 34.8% from 2016.